Well, hey there. Well, let's talk about this question. I love to ask you questions. Are you ready for a career change? But the bigger question is, do you have the real scoop on the paralegal career? Do you have the facts on what you'll be doing? Let me adjust this camera. In your new career. And this is vitally important. One of the biggest issues is, do you understand that when you look up the annual salary of a paralegal, that you're seeing salaries of very experienced paralegals who've worked in the field for many years, averaged in to get that amount that says $50,000 to $58,000 a year on Google? Be aware that that's not a beginner paralegal salary. When I started out, I barely made above minimum wage, and that's the true experience of people starting out. So, do you have the real scoop on what paralegals do every day? Someone just messaged me, and I get these messages all the time. I want to be this type of paralegal, but I hear so many different stories about what we actually do every day. Well, get a notebook, okay? But download the free playbook from my website, paralegalcoffeetalk.com, and go over to the tab that says Paralegal Resources Hub. You'll see the playbook under there. You have to sign up once you click the link, but it's free, okay? That's how my platform works. Get that playbook. In the middle of one of the pages, it'll teach you how to research paralegal duties, okay? That's my gift to you. Don't not get that playbook. It's for you, the beginner, the one who's starting out, so that you understand, okay, if I want to be a real estate paralegal, what am I going to be doing every day? I want to handle closings in a real estate firm. Great job, okay? So what do you do every day? Go look that up. I have a short video where I go into some of that at on the YouTube channel, Paralegal Career Mastermind. You can find out even more information watching that video. But take notes and research on Google when you get the playbook. Do what I say in there and find the duties, okay? You may not find it on the first page of Google. Change your search terms around. Do what I say in there, okay? And understand that when you're doing that research, you're going after what the reality is about that career, not what someone else is guessing about, someone who's never worked in the field, in that particular area of law. Get the facts for yourself. That's what we do as paralegals. Have a great day.